Our Texas Valley region has a unique climate that can often result in costly energy bills for Rio Grande Valley homeowners. Combine the hot weather with older homes, and your day-to-day comfort can be compromised pretty quickly. Not to mention, your pocketbook will take a hit trying to keep your home cool. Did you know that one upgrade can help you resolve these two issues? This is where our local Window World Rio Grande Valley team comes into the picture. Our window and door products are ENERGY STAR certified, which means they have been tested and rated as energy-saving products recommended to homeowners across the country. Energy-efficient windows and doors can help you save an average of 12% on your energy costs compared to non-efficient windows and doors, and it keeps your home cool year-round. These energy-efficient windows and doors act as a protective barrier against the elements. In winter, they keep the cold, wind, and chilly weather outside, maintaining your home's warmth. And in summer, they block the sweltering heat through key features as our E340 blue glass and double or triple pane glass. Imagine a home that stays cozy year-round, all while saving you money on your energy bills. Our windows are not just energy efficient, but they're also built to retain their structure and durability, providing you with long-lasting performance. Are you ready to lower your energy bills and improve your home's comfort this summer? Contact Window World Rio Grande Valley today and experience the difference our energy-efficient windows can make. Visit our website or give us a call to learn more.